I have Marley. Marley is a rescue, so his owners aren't exactly sure how old he is, but they believe he's still in his puppy years. He's got a lot of puppy behavior. He is here for our 2-week board and train program. His owner said that he knows most of his commands. He's just really bad with distractions. People coming to the house, he's not great with manners. He barks at people on the street. He's been destructive in the house. So let's see what he knows as of now. Marley, come. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Marley, sit. Oh, so. Marley, sit. Sit. Good boy. Good. Sit, good boy. Marley, down. Sit. Down. Down. Marley. Marley, down. Down. Good boy. Good. Down. Oh, that's a good boy. Good. Good job, buddy. Good. So he does know how to come and sit and lay down. Excuse you. He is a little bit rough. He doesn't really know his size. So we're going to work on everything, and we look forward to showing you his transformation in 2 weeks. Thanks. Marley, heel. Good job, Leo.